Welcome to 50 Water Street, Unit 14, an incredible opportunity in wonderful Medford. Come check it out.
Are you sick of paying high rents and having nothing to show for it? Or are you looking to downsize into a smaller home and you don't want to deal with the maintenance responsibilities that often come along with home ownership? If so, here's the home for you. Introducing 50 Water Street, Unit 14 in Medford, Massachusetts. This well-laid-out one-bedroom, first-level condo in a well-established association represents a fantastic value in today's real estate market. The unit has been well-maintained and has received a number of updates. The home's updated kitchen features quartz countertops, new stainless steel appliances, including a dishwasher and an undermount sink. The large open dining and living room provides plenty of flexibility. The condo's bedroom can easily accommodate a large bed and has copious amounts of closet space. The unit's very close to the building's on-site laundry, and it also comes with one parking space. Located just outside of Medford Square, this home is walkable to the Chevalier Theater, restaurants, bars, cafes, the amazing Fells Reservation, and public transportation into the city. You're also just a short trip to Assembly Square, Wellington Station, West Medford Commuter Rail, Wellington Station, Davis Square, and Ball Square. This is an incredible opportunity to own your own home in a fantastic location.
I'm Tom Sheehan of Compass. If you have any questions about this condo, just give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. Talk to you soon.